We are Morfit Smith, specialising in sales, lettings and new homes. We are a local independent agent offering a bespoke service to achieve the most for your investment. Our sales team ensure your online presence is as visible as our sale boards, offering everything from iconic property photography to exclusive short films. Trust the experts to secure your sale. Our award-winning lettings team offers a wide range of services for landlords of all shapes and sizes. From securing the right tenant to maintaining the property, we handle the stress so you can enjoy the rewards. Our new homes team caters to first-time builders and national giants alike. From the initial meeting to ground valuation, building, set dressing and completing, we take your development from idea to reality. Our marketing team ensures every home stands out from the crowd with photography, videography, broadcast, graphic design, aerial footage and of course our beloved mascot Smithy. We are Morfit Smith.